Hey, what's up, YouTube? Well, I'm bored today. It's my last day off, so I decided to do a quick little video. Nothing groundbreaking going on here. All I'm going to do is install a passenger pillion for the Mustang seat. I love that one so much I went ahead and got the passenger seat for my wife to try out, and I got lucky. I got it on eBay for $50 used, and the only markings that I've seen on it are just a couple of little spots where the sissy bar was before on the previous bike. So excuse me, all I'm doing today is gonna put it on the bike. Now, I didn't realize it when I bought it. This is the first two-piece seat that I've had like this, but you have to get a spool washer, and I had to order that from Mustang. So I've actually had the seat for a week now, just waiting on this part to come in. So let's get to it. Pretty straightforward. The screw that comes with it, it's a socket head or an Allen screw, whichever you want to call it. And I'll see, you'll need one of those and a Phillips, depending on what's holding your solo seat on. And all this is going to do is just fit right on top of that. You're going to put the longer bolt in, get everything lined up. Just make sure you don't snag the seat with the bolt there if it's this type. I know some of them have a little recess on them. So for the wide glide, that's what this one looks like. So all that's good. And now all we're going to have to do is slide that underneath. And I've already got a fender nut because I've had a two-up on here before. Like I said, I've got the Saddleman. So I don't have to mess with any of that, luckily. She's a pretty snug fit. Yeah, there's a little mark where the screw used to be. That's all right. It's going to have one of those anyways. So it fits. It's pretty snug. Let's see if we can get her started here. There we go. Oh, can't hit the hole. All right. It's torqued down to proper specs, I could tell. That's it, man. That is it. I think it looks all right. I won't be using this all the time. I'm just going to have my wife try it out because I'm curious to how that one will be, because I like the brown on the bike. But worst case, I'll throw the Saddleman back on and we'll be good to go. Other than that, that's all I've got, YouTube. So you'll have a good one. Later.